Let's unbox me husband's first fursuit together. Struggles. Almost there. He's arrived. This suit was made by Mentai Kipmaka on YouTube. Go check her out. I see the boy. Throws patriot. Goodies, yum yum yum. With stickers. YPPIE. Anti-free becomes theft-free. Dogs say swats this. Father, it scares me. Put it on already. Realizes there's Velcro.